Ever wondered how you can skyrocket your YouTube career in just 30 days without a product, but with the power of AI? Well, pinch yourself awake because today we're going to explore exactly how you can do this. Picture this, a YouTube career that takes off to the stars in just a month. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. With the power of AI, we can leverage automation and data-driven strategies to fast-track our success. No need for fancy cameras or expensive equipment. All we need is a smartphone and a few creative ideas. The first step to conquering YouTube in 30 days is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? The key here is to stand out from the crowd. AI can help identify trending topics and analyze content that resonates with your target audience. Once you've found your place, it's time to create stellar content. AI-powered tools like algorithms and machine learning can help tailor your videos for maximum engagement. From crafting eye-catching thumbnails to analyzing viewer retention, AI can be your secret weapon for creating compelling content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Remember, consistency is key. Regular posting will boost your channel's growth and help build a loyal following. AI can assist in scheduling and automating your content, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing videos. Connecting with your audience is vital for a successful YouTube career. AI-powered chatbots can help manage comments and respond to viewers efficiently. Remember, engaging with viewers isn't just about responding to comments. It's about connecting with your viewers on a personal level and building a community around your channel. Last but certainly not least, keep an eye on your analytics. AI can provide valuable insights into your channel's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions to tailor your content strategy. From demographics to watch time, AI can uncover trends and patterns that will empower you to improve your approach and elevate your channel. So there you have it, ambitious YouTubers. A roadmap to kickstarting your YouTube career in just 30 days with the help of AI and without the need for any product. Remember, success on YouTube is within your reach, and AI can be your guide on this incredible journey. Now grab your smartphone, unleash your creativity, and let's bring those YouTube dreams to life. Remember to subscribe and follow us on social media for more tips on how to conquer the digital world. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and most importantly, keep dreaming.